Hello, Nancy speaking.
Nancy, it's Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Do you have any plans for this Saturday?
Not really.
How about going out for dinner?
Oh, that sounds like a really good idea.
Last week I think, we went to Joyful, right?
Yeah, that's right. We had rice and things like that. Is that right?
Mm-hmm. And I think I might have had a hamburger or something like that.
Oh, yes, you did.
Yeah.
So where do you think we should go this time?
Do you want to go for sushi again?
Oh, I really like sushi.
Yeah, there's a new sushi shop across from the shopping center.
Okay, so we can walk there.
We won't have to waste time finding a parking space.
So I will go to your house and then we can walk there together.
That sounds like a good plan to me. See you then.
Okay, bye-bye.